Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. It's a hot summer day today and we are talking jet skis. In this video I want to show you a few different things. In the event that you are replacing your bellows or your carbon seal or ring, I want to show you the actual parts. And not only the parts, but I want to show you the actual names of each part. And what I've done is put together basically a diagram that will better familiarize yourself with all of the parts to prep yourself for the project. Let's take a look. Here it is, YouTubers, my constructive and artistic diagram of the complete rebuild kit for Driveline. And the way I want to explain this part-wise is the sequence that it moves from the engine or most inward portion of the drive shaft line and continues rearward toward the impeller housing. With that said, the drive shaft C-clip on the far left, this is the clip that holds the drive shaft support ring in place and does not allow the drive shaft support ring nor any of the following parts to continue to shift inward or toward the engine. The second part, which we just mentioned, the drive shaft support ring, this is again the part that basically locks the additional or remaining parts in place, and again doesn't allow any of those parts to continue to move inward toward the engine or any farther up on the drive shaft itself. Below the drive shaft support ring are two O-rings. Those are rubber. One goes in the upper portion of the drive shaft support ring and one goes on the bottom. It's very important that you insert those rubber O-rings properly for the proper seal. Continuing down the drive line toward the impeller housing, the next part that backs up to the drive shaft support ring is your carbon ring seal. This is a very important part because it allows the shaft boot, also known as the bellow, to connect itself. As you can see, the shape of the carbon seal is in such that it allows that boot or bellow to basically go over it like that, and then you will use a clamp to secure it, which is the last portion or most rearward part of the drive line, that shaft boot, aka the bellow. Both the upper portion and bottom portion or inward or rearward portion of the bellow will have clamps on them that you will secure. One clamp, as we just mentioned, will connect the bellow and secure it to the carbon ring or seal, and the opposite side of the shaft boot or bellow will connect to the rubber boot that feeds through the actual hull of the jet ski into the impeller area that the drive shaft continues into to spin the impeller. So with that said, hopefully we have a better familiarization with the drive line and all the parts moving from left to right. Drive shaft C-clip, drive shaft support ring with the two O-rings below it, the carbon ring seal, and the shaft boot, aka bellow. That's it. Now we have a better familiarization with not only the parts, but what the parts are called. Now what I want to do is show you our next project. We are going to be going to the jet ski, taking the actual seats off, and showing you exactly where these parts are inside the hull of the jet ski. Definitely join us at that next video. Hey, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. If you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again. We will see you at the next video.